Here's some more. Very good, Andrew. Big help. Okay, come on, right here. There's some more area that needs seeds. Can you put some more in? Yeah, Hannah's eating a stick. Here we go. We're going to put some more seeds in. Your turn. Good job. Yeah, they're green. They're green seeds. Because they're going to be peas. Peas. All right, Andrew. Okay, keep moving. We got something down here. Come on. We're going to put them down here. Yeah, come on over here. Oh, yes, we have to cover them back up. You're right. Go ahead. You can cover some back up. Yeah, they need to be covered up so that they can grow and the birds don't eat them. Yeah, we don't want the birds to eat them. Okay. You going to come down here and help Mommy some more, or are you going to stay there? Okay, here we go. Very good planting, Andrew. Okay, come down here. There's some more over here. We need some more over there. Good job. Keep walking. Very good, Andrew. Put them in the ground. Put them in the ground. Yeah, go ahead. Here's your seeds. Yeah. Very good. Those seeds are going to grow, and then we're going to have peas. Yeah, then we're going to have some peas. Is that cool? Oh, good job. Oh, you pooped? Okay. Thank you for letting me know.